Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial, I shall show you how to print and use our patterns. Start by right-clicking on the zipped file that you have just downloaded. Extract the files onto your computer. Here is the folder. Now let's open the PDF. On the left, you will find symbols. Click on this one that indicates the layers. You will notice that all the layers are visible. Select the size you need and press the icon to disable the others. Now let's check our printing options. Make sure that you print the pages in its actual size. Once the pages are printed, it's time to put them together. Arrange the pages in order and cut out the right and bottom borders. Glue the sheets together as indicated and cut out the patterns.